today's world, managing finances can be a daunting task. With so many budgeting apps available, it can be hard to choose the right one. Monarch Money is a relatively new player in the field, but it has quickly gained popularity for its robust features and user-friendly interface. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes Monarch Money stand out, its advantages, potential drawbacks, and how it compares to other budgeting apps. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial management app that goes beyond basic budgeting. Launched in 2021, this app allows users to create a budget, track their net worth and investments, set savings goals, and much more. One of the key features that set Monarch Money apart from other apps is its ability to sync with a wide range of financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and even real estate. This integration allows users to see a complete picture of their finances in one place. Monarch Money offers several advantages for those looking to take control of their finances. The app automatically syncs with your accounts and categorizes transactions, making it easier to keep track of your spending. It also offers a customizable experience, allowing users to adjust their budgets and categories to fit their needs. One of the most appealing features of Monarch Money is its ability to track investments and real estate, giving users a more comprehensive view of their financial health. Additionally, Monarch Money allows you to add family members to your account at no extra cost, making it a great option for couples or families who want to manage their money together. While Monarch Money has a lot to offer, it does come with some drawbacks. The most significant downside is that there is no free version of the app. Users can try the app for 7 days at no cost, but after that, they will need to pay $14.99 per month or $99.99 per year to continue using the service. For some users, the learning curve may also be steep, and the initial setup could be tedious, especially when linking multiple accounts. Additionally, Monarch Money does not include a credit monitoring tool, which some users might find essential. When it comes to budgeting apps, Monarch Money is not the only option. For example, You Need a Budget YNAB is another popular app that supports a zero-based budgeting strategy and allows users to link their bank accounts. However, YNAB's focus is more on budgeting, while Monarch Money offers a broader range of features, including investment tracking. Another competitor, Pocket Guard, also connects to various financial accounts and provides tools for paying off debt. Pocket Guard offers a free plan, unlike Monarch Money, but its paid version is similarly priced. Credit Karma, on the other hand, is a free app that focuses on credit monitoring rather than budgeting, making it a different type of financial tool altogether. In conclusion, Monarch Money is a powerful budgeting app that offers a wide range of features for those who want more than just a basic budget tracker. Its ability to sync with various financial accounts, track investments, and provide a customizable experience makes it a strong contender in the budgeting app market. However, the lack of a free version and the potential for a steep learning curve might be drawbacks for some users. When compared to its competitors, Monarch Money stands out for its comprehensive approach to financial management, but it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a choice. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.